Hi everyone, my name is Harshini and today I'm going to talk about human population chart. What is world population? Well, a census, when counts all the people who live in the country, is taken periodically. It connects about where people live and the economic conditions. It gives similar information for each other in the country and the world. Now, what are the factors of growth of humans? Well, remember that population can keep growing as well as we might not have that many resources, and it also might decrease. Human populations are different from populations because humans are concisely change their environment. Like humans can grow their own food and grow animals to produce food. Now you might think, how can you determine the growth of a population? Well, that is the next question. To determine the growth of the rate of the population, you need to consider different factors. Like birth rate is the number of the live birth per 1,000 people in a given year. So, and the same like the death rate is the number of 1,000 people given in year. So we need to take birth rate, subtract it with death rate, and then we will know population rate. So there are four main factors of population being affected. First is immigration, like people coming from other countries and staying in that country or staying in that population is called immigrations, which will actually increase the size of the population. Then nationality, it is increase the population size and reproduction, it will reproduce as well. And mortality, decrease the population, like result in more death rates. And immigration, decrease to the population, decreases to population size of the result loss, like the lost people, not the people who are living. Don't mind that sound, that is my rough notebook. So what is the effect of a positive growth rate? So when there are PGR is above or positive, it means more people are entering the population than are leaving. So more immigrants come to that country and less immigrants go from that country. So what is the age structure of a population? It is in four main age structures. First thing is, it expands rapidly. Second is expands slowly. Third, it will expand stably. And last, it will decline. So, does the environment affect population growth? Well, the need of the population are different all over the world. Like some may have more and some may have less. Some are considered with basic needs such as food and water. Some need to maintain healthy conditions. They already have like some health conditions. And there are not enough food, water in the population and living place in all of the population, and sometimes even population grow really fast, like as I said in the last question, expanding rapidly. So I hope you understood what I said, and thank you.